Hytech Didactic Automated Bolt Assembly Station can be used individually or in integration with the Computer Integrated Manufacturing Setup. This station is used to carry out bolt assembly application automatically with integration of servo slide and DC nut runner. Entire station is controlled and programmed with Siemens S7 1200 PLC and Siemens KTP 700 HMI. Actual bolt feeding and assembly application is carried out on this station in integration with PLC, HMI, Digital AC Servo Motor and Pneumatically actuated systems. User is expected to carry out entire ladder programming to achieve desired results. Automated bolt assembly station is completely integrated with Siemens MCD, Mechatronics Concept Designer software, which acts as a digital twin software with remote commissioning facility. IIoT with Siemens NanoBox can also be integrated with this station.